Hey guys, I'm Remedy and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a really long time since I uploaded a video, so sorry about that, but life's been crazy busy. If you follow me on my Instagram, then you know that I've actually had to cancel the wedding or postpone the wedding because obviously the coronavirus is going on. It was set for April 11th, but yeah. But anyways, I figured now is as good a time as ever to film another video. So today I'm just going to be doing a super simple French braid into a low bun. So all you're going to need for this is hairband, some bobby pins, and I'm actually going to use this dry shampoo. I don't typically use it, but it adds some volume and texture to your hair, which I don't have much of. So yeah, let's see. So you just shake it and spray on roots and throughout hair. So because I'm going to be using it mainly for volume, I'm just kind of going to go like this. Oh, and this is the Not Your Mother's Clean Freak Refreshing Dry Shampoo. I just got it from Walmart. Okay, so now I'm just gonna rub it in a little. And now we're gonna start on our French braid. So basically what you do, if you've never French braided before, can you guys see me? Okay, so you divide your hair into 3 strands. So just section off like the top portion of your hair, like that. And then you divide that top section into 3. Okay, so for French braids, what you do, you take your right strand, go over the middle, then take this left strand and go over the new middle. Then you add a little bit of hair to each side. And just repeat, right over middle, left over middle, add, and repeat. Now, because we're going to be making it into a bun, it's not really imperative that this bottom turns out too good, so you can add this in. Doesn't really matter too much because we're just going to be wrapping all this up anyways. So then take your hairband, and I kind of go like this, reach down and grab it, and then form a half bun. So see? And then I take this remaining hair and just leave it down. So I have a mini little half bun right down there. So then, because I have so little hair, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rough this up a little bit, but if you have more, or if you like smaller buns or thicker hair, this part doesn't really apply to you. So I just go like this, and then I take this section and I wrap it around kind of up top, and I bobby pin it. Okay, now I pull this bun apart. So pull up, pull out, pull to the sides. And I honestly just kind of start randomly bobby pinning like this. And like that. Okay, so if you guys like it like this, you can just leave it how it is. But what I like to do is I like to make mine a little bit messier. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna kind of start at the top and just pull tiny little strands of hair, if that makes any sense. So you're not pulling, like taking your whole hair and pulling it. You're just kind of going like this and taking like little strands and pulling it up and loosening them. And until you've got like a little bit of texture up top. And I do that very, very, very carefully in the back because I don't want to make my braid too loose. And I also like to take little strands of hair from the side and just pull them out. And that's it. That's just how you do a simple French braid plus low bun in the back. So yeah. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and let me know if there's any other hairstyles that you'd like me to try. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of my stuff. Bye.